Hello everyone. Have you ever spent time editing and creating a perfect video only to find out that there is something wrong with the background music? Whether it's loud music in the background or the music has copyright problem. Today I'm going to show you how to remove background music from any video. Guess what? You don't need to be a professional video editor to do this. So let's play together now. We have two steps in total. The first step is to separate the background music from the vocals and save the vocal in MP3 format. The second step is video editing, combining the vocal MP3 with the video containing the image contents. So let's do the first step first, separating the vocal from the background music. Here I want to share two tools. The first one is Vocal Remover. This platform is easy to use and the output quality is very high. After using it, I feel that it has two minor limitations. The first is that the uploaded video cannot exceed 100 MB in size. And the second is that if you keep uploading videos from the same IP address, your request will be rejected. Let me show you how to use it. Now I have a video in my desktop. So let me check the size of this video. 550 MB. Then I can divide it into 5 to 6 segments. Let me check the length of this video. It's 11 to 12 minutes, so if I divide it by 6, then 2 minutes for each segment. I will rename it as input.mp4. And now you see that I want to divide the video into 6 segments. You can use any video editor tool, but I am using the command line in the terminal. So the command line is straightforward. The SS means the start time, and the T means how long it is. So in my case, that's 2 minutes. Okay, part 3, and this is part 4. And the last command would be a little different because we do not need the parameter T, which means that we will segment the video until the end of this input.mp4. Now we have 6 parts saved in the same directory, and I wanted to order them organize them in the okay. Then I want to upload my first part 1.mp4 to the Vocal Remover website. There is a warning, too many requests from the same IP address. So what I can do now is to wait and submit again, or to pay for the service. and I suggest you to just update your Wi-Fi connection in this case. I reconnected my Wi-Fi and it works now. This process takes a long time, so I am playing it at 4 times speed. Okay, we can see that the video is automatically divided into two parts, music and vocal. So let's listen to the background music part. This is the vocal part. 和任何对人工智能，特别是生成式人工智能感兴趣的观众。Then it means that we successfully divide the video into the two parts. And the last step is to save it into the vocal in the MP3 format. We just introduced the first method, but you can also try the second method. If you have a lot of videos and you are in a fixed IP environment, you can try this software, Splitter. This software is very programmer friendly and can be used by anyone with or without programming experience. It has a Google Colab version, and I put the link in the comment area. So you can open this link. Let's first understand its functions one by one and run this environment. If you want to upload your own video, you can upload it here as well. So let's run them. Let's play with this environment first and get familiar with it. This is the main part, which is the separate from command line. So we still run each command line. The first line is that you are downloading an audio sample file. So we keep clicking all the command lines. And as said, this is the main part, that is to download the audio and to listen to the audio. And this is a separate command to separate the background music from the vocal voice. And this will save in the output audio example folder. Let's listen to the mixed version first. Still when I'm with you. Then let's listen to the vocal part. Stand still when This is the background part. Now I want to upload the previous processed part1.mp4 file to this place. So I can directly drag this file here. And you see it's uploading now. Okay, let's change the names. We can start here. So change the audio name to be part 1. And the output file will be automatically named part 1. And we also want to change all the names Okay, let's run it again. Okay, let's do it. So you would see the, okay, let's change the name to be MP4. And you would see that in the output folder, yeah, the part 1 is automatically generated. The whole process will take several minutes, and this is what we get. So let's listen to the vocal. 大家好，今天我们将探索生成式人工智能。And this is the background part. Let's make a comparison. So this is the output from the vocal remover software. 大家好，今天我们将探索生成式人工智能。这个视频是 And this one is from the splitter software. 大家好，今天我们将探索生成式人工智能。这个视频适合任何对人。So this one has some echo. And so in this case, after this comparison, you could see that if you have a higher requirement for the audio quality, I would recommend you to use vocal remover. And if in your case, if you feel that okay, segmenting the video into several parts is inconvenient, or if you have a video have a large volume of videos, then I would recommend you to use the splitter software. Whichever tool you used in the previous step will export them in MP3 format, so you will need to combine the video file containing the images with all the MP3 files. Now let's do the video editing. You can use whatever tools that you feel comfortable with. So in my case, I am using OpenShot. So we can drag the MP3 files that we made in the previous step, and we can drag them into an OpenShot environment. Because of the video size, I actually segment them into 8 parts. So this step is very simple. You just drag the audio files and the video files together into the 2 tracks. Okay, this is our input MP4 file. And right click your mouse, choose volume, entire clip level 0, which means that you will keep your volume to none. And then it's done. We can export the file as a video, and you can preview the video first. Okay, so let's export the project as a video format, and then name it as output. Finally, we can make a comparison. One is the video before processing, and this video has background music. 大家好，今天我们将探索生成式人工智能。这个视频是 And The other one is the final output video without background music. 大家好，今天我们将探索生成式人工智能。和警告说 ，AI 可能将比人类更聪明。So we could hear that the output performance is pretty good. So I hope that you solved your background music remover problem as well.